standard equation of an ellipse. Done. So here we are not going to derive the equation, we will just consider the equation, how the different types of parabola, how the different types of ellipse can be possible. So here, what is the standard equation? Same as standard parabola, two conditions are there for any ellipse. For any ellipse to be a standard ellipse. So which two conditions are there? First condition, the center of an ellipse must be lie at origin. Center of an ellipse must be lies on origin. And second condition, foci, two focus points are there. Foci must be lie on x-axis or y-axis. If these two conditions are fulfilled, in our ellipse, then we can say that given ellipse is the standard ellipse. Done. So you have to consider these two conditions. So let's try to do both types of ellipse. So first case, total two possible ellipses are there. So first one, चलो ट्राई करते हैं ड्रॉ करने के लिए. No, this is ellipse. This is major axis. This one is minor axis. Done. So major axis, this one is AB, this one is center C, this one is point D, and this one is E. So this is center of ellipse. Center of ellipse must be lie at origin. So coordinates of the center C are 0, 0. Now second case, our foci, that means both the focus point F1 and F2 must be lies on x-axis. So first case, here foci lies on x-axis. This is our point F1. This is point F1 and this is point F2. Done. Focus length is small c. So this one is small c. So coordinates of this focus point 1 can be C0 as it lies on x-axis, and this focus point F2 coordinates are minus C0. Done. So here major axis, or we can say semi major axis. So semi-major axis is nothing but the CE. Also, this CD can be written as semi-major axis, and the length of semi-major axis, we are always taking it as a. Small a is the length of semi-major axis. This length is small a, semi, that means half, and this length is also small a. So it's the length of semi-major axis. It's a CE or CD that is equal to a. This length is also a. So coordinates of this point E will be A0 and this will be minus A0. Clear, students? Coordinate of this center, this is capital C. So our center lies at origin. So coordinates of this center C will be 0, 0. Done? Foci, in this case, this is first case. In this, our foci lies on x-axis. So this is known as horizontal ellipse. This is nothing but the horizontal ellipse in which major axis lies along with the x-axis and minor axis. Here we can write this one as a semi minor axis, and minor axis lies along with the y-axis. So that is nothing but the AC or BC. AC or we can say BC, and that is equal to B. Small b. Small b is the length of semi minor axis. This is small b. Done. So here this is the case which is known as horizontal ellipse. This is the case of horizontal ellipse. This is the case of horizontal ellipse in which our foci lies on x-axis. Done. And coordinates of this point A and B. This is along with the y-axis. So coordinates of this point A will be 0 b, and coordinates of this point b will be 0 minus b. Clear, students? So this is the case of horizontal ellipse. Now we have to consider standard equation. So for this type of ellipse, standard equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is the standard equation for this type of ellipse. Done? Now here, semi-major axis is a, that is along with the x-axis. So here we have to write this a square in the denominator of x square. Na? Always in case of ellipse, we'll always consider semi-major axis as a, semi-major axis as a small a, and semi-minor axis as a small b. So here major axis is along with the x-axis. So equation of this ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is first case. Only two possible types of ellipse are there. Done? This is first case. Now we'll try to do second case. है ना, दोनों को साथ में ड्रॉ करेंगे ना, तभी इक्वेशन आपको समझ में आएगा. Now second case, for this second case, it will be like this. This is major axis, this is minor axis. Done? And this one is center C. Center C lies at origin. So coordinates are 0, 0. Done? Now these are the focus. Focus F1, this is focus F2. Focus lies along with the y-axis. Two possible cases are there. Center always at origin, and focus, both foci will be lies at origin, or both foci will lies on x-axis, or they may be lie on y-axis. So for this first case, our foci, both the focus point lies along with the x-axis. Now for this case, both of the foci lies on the y-axis, along with the y-axis. Done? So what is focal length? It's a distance from center to focus, so it's a c. So this length is c. So coordinates of this focus f1 is 0 c. 0 c, it lies on y-axis. Coordinates of this point f2, second focus point, as it lies on negative y-axis, and distance of this point f2 from this origin is c. This one is small c. So it's a 0 minus c. Done? This one is minor axis. This one is major axis. So length of semi-major axis. Semi-major axis is always denoted by small a. So this length is small a. कहाँ लिखे? This is small a, and this length is small b. Done? So here we can write coordinates of this point D and E. Point D and point E are the endpoints of semi-major axis. Point D and point E are the endpoints of semi-major axis, and endpoints of semi-major axis are known as vertex. Commonly known as vertices. So this is vertex. यहाँ पर भी ये point D and point E, उसको हम बोलेंगे vertex. So coordinates of this vertex are along with the y-axis. So it's a 0a, and this will be 0 minus a. Done? Coordinates of this point B along with the x-axis. So it's a b0, and this one is minus b0. And for this type of ellipse, which is along with the y-axis, standard equation is now here. For this case, our semi-major axis is along with the y. Semi-major axis is along with the y-axis. So that a, now it will come along with the y. And for x, we are writing this one as a x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. This is the standard equation of vertical ellipse. This is known as vertical ellipse. Vertical ellipse. Now, अब इन दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे, है ना? For this vertical ellipse, major axis, or we can say semi-major axis, is along with the y. For vertical ellipse, semi-major axis is along with the y. What is the length of semi-major axis? Length of semi-major axis is small a. So now our a square term will come with y square term. So it's a y square by a square. है ना? This is semi-major axis and this is semi-minor axis. So length of semi-major axis is always greater than semi-minor axis. So here, this for this vertical ellipse, semi-major axis is along with the y-axis, so it will be y square by a square, and minor axis is along with the x-axis, so it's x square by b square equal to 1. Done. So for this type of cases, for this type of equation, we can say it's the equation of vertical ellipse. For this case, major axis is along with the x-axis, है ना? Suppose this is the length of semi-major axis, and this is along with the x-axis, whose length is a. So this a square term will come with the x square term. It's x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, where a is always greater than b, है ना? That means x square का coefficient आपको क्या देखना है? If in the given equation coefficient of x square is greater than coefficient of y square, then it will be the equation of horizontal ellipse. While in the given equation of an ellipse, coefficient of y square na, is greater than coefficient of x square, then given equation of ellipse will be the equation of vertical ellipse. Clear, students? So this is the basic concept of standard equation of an ellipse. चलो, concept is standard ellipse is symmetrical about its coordinate axis. Standard ellipse is symmetrical about its coordinate axis. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? देखो, consider one horizontal ellipse. This is one horizontal ellipse. Yes, very good. This one is major axis. This one is minor axis. Done. And this one is center C. This one focus point F1, focus point F2. Done. AB, CD. Bus. Now what is about symmetrical? Symmetrical about the coordinate axis. So if we consider one point, suppose this is one point whose coordinates are xy. So it is symmetrical about its coordinate axis. इसको rotate कर दो. Rotate this ellipse about the x-axis. So this point will be interchange. तो यहाँ पर एक point मिलेगा. So coordinates of this point will be x coordinate negative. It's a minus x y. This is known as symmetricity about the y-axis. है ना? We are rotating this ellipse around the y-axis. ऐसे घूमेगा. Same way, we can rotate this ellipse along with this x-axis. तो ऐसे घूमेगा, है ना? So this point will be changed as here. This x will be positive, y is negative. So it's x minus y. For this case, if we rotate this ellipse along with this x-axis, so this will be minus x y. So this is known as symmetricity of this ellipse around its coordinate axis. Done. इसको यूज करेंगे न्यूमेरिकल्स में से. इसको भी नोट डाउन करके लिखो ना, अपने पास एक कॉन्सेप्ट होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज लेंथ ऑफ लेटेस्ट रेक्टम, है ना? लेंथ ऑफ लेटेस्ट रेक्टम ऑफ एन इलिप्स. So what is the latest rectum of an ellipse? We have discussed latest rectum of an parabola. Same way, we have to define the latest rectum in ellipse also. So let me try to do diagram again. Length of latest rectum define करना है. तो ये हो गया, ये हमारा ellipse हो गया. This is center C, focus F1, focus F2, foci. Done. So here, what is latest rectum? लेटस रेक्टम इज वन लाइन सेगमेंट, है ना, जो पैराबोला में डिफाइन किया था ना वही. लेटस रेक्टम इज अ लाइन सेगमेंट. विच टाइप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट? द लाइन सेगमेंट विच इज पासिंग फ्रॉम दिस फोकस, है ना, लाइन सेगमेंट पासिंग फ्रॉम दिस फोकस परपेंडिकुलर टू फोकस एंड एंड पॉइंट्स लाइज ऑन इलिप्स. तो यहाँ पर एक मिलेगा आपको ऐसे. सेम वे we are getting another line segment which is also passing from this focus and end points lies on ellipse and perpendicular to this axis of ellipse. So this is nothing but the latus rectum. So this length AB or this length CD is nothing but the latus rectum. Latus rectum is passing from this focus F1 and F2. Coordinates of this focus are, this is focus length C. So coordinates of this focus are C0 as they lies on x-axis. Here this one is coordinates are minus C0. Done. So for this type of latus rectum, the length of latus rectum is 2b square by a, है ना. आपको डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला याद रखना है. द लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम इज 2b स्क्वायर बाय a, है ना. यहाँ पर क्या डिस्कस किया? दिस इलिप्स इज सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट इट्स कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस. सो हियर इफ वी कंसीडर द सिमेट्रिसिटी ऑफ दिस इलिप्स along with this x axis, these both lengths are equal, and CA will be equal to CB, and the length of this latus rectum is 2b square by a. So this length AC is nothing but the b square by a, and this length is also b square by a. So total length of this latus rectum is 2b square by a. Done. यहाँ से ये distance b square by a होगा. This distance will be also b square by a because this ellipse is symmetrical about this x-axis. Clear? So length of latus rectum will be 2b square a. Or we can also write the equation of latus rectum. Equation of latus rectum. So what should be the equation of latus rectum? For ellipse, for any ellipse, two possible latus rectum will be there. Done. Latus rectum is perpendicular. It's a perpendicular to axis. Which axis? X axis. Passing from this which point? Minus C. Here it is passing from this point C. So any line which is perpendicular to x axis can be written as x equal to, from which point? Plus C and minus C. So x equal to plus or minus C. X equal to plus or minus C is the equation of latus rectum. Clear, students? So here you have to remember these two formula. Length of latus rectum is 2b square by a, and equation of latus rectum will be x equal to plus or minus c. Done. So this is the short introduction regarding your ellipse. Now we'll try to solve some numericals based on this ellipse. So now what we have studied in ellipse, let's summarize our important concepts. So in case of ellipse, two possible cases are there. So first we'll write down the equation of ellipse. So two types are there. First one is horizontal, है ना. Horizontal ellipse is there. Second one is vertical ellipse is there. Now first we'll write down the equation, on a standard equation. So what is the standard equation for this horizontal ellipse? For horizontal ellipse, equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the standard equation for this horizontal ellipse. For vertical ellipse, it's a x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Done. This is the standard equation. Now then we have to write coordinates of focus. So two focal points are there. So coordinates of foci. For this horizontal ellipse, focus points lies on x-axis. So coordinates of foci are nothing but the plus or minus C0. plus or minus C0. While for this case, for vertical ellipse, foci lies along with the y-axis. So coordinates will be 0 plus or minus C. Done? Now length of major axis. Length of major axis. In this case, it's a. For this case, it is also a. है ना? We have to write semi major axis. Semi major axis. Same way, length of semi minor axis. Semi minor axis. For this case, it's a small b. Here it's also small b. Done? Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum, it's a 2b square by a. देखो यहाँ पर मेजर एक्सिस माइनर एक्सिस में कोई चेंज आ रहा है? नो चेंज. सो लेंथ ऑफ लेटस रेक्टम विल बी सेम 2b square by a. Done? Now coordinates of vertex. Vertex. Done? So what is the vertex? Two vertices are there. Two vertex are there. So it can be written as vertices. Vertices. Now for this horizontal ellipse, vertices are nothing but the endpoints of major axis, and major axis is along with the x-axis. So coordinates of vertices are plus or minus a0, plus or minus a0. Now vertices along with the x-axis, while for this vertical ellipse, vertices is along with the y-axis. So it's a 0 plus or minus a. Coordinates of vertices. Done? Focus हो गया center. Here center is along with the origin. For this case also, center is along with the origin. Done? बस हो गया सब.